Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. So, children, today we are going to start our next chapter, lesson 12, that is breaking in. So, before we start this chapter, let me ask you that you all have completed your lesson 11 copy work. I hope so. So, those who have not done, just do all the copy work and book work, okay? All the question answer, word meaning and the book exercises of lesson 11. So, here today we are going to start lesson 12, breaking in, written by Anna Swell. Anna Swell is the writer of the chapter, and before we are going to start the chapter, let me tell you the main characters of this lesson are Black Beauty. Black Beauty is a horse and his master, and the theme of the story is the breaking in of the horse Black Beauty. It's all about the Black Beauty, okay, and Black Beauty is horse and his master, okay children. So, here we are going to start this chapter. So, children, I hope you all have opened your book, okay, lesson 12, breaking in, page number 79. So, before we start this chapter, let me tell you about the writer Anna Swell. Anna Swell was born in 1820 and died in 1878. She was an English novelist known widely for her novel Black Beauty. The novel deals with the well-being of animals and gives lesson in kindness, sympathy and respect for others. She tries to create a bond between animals and humans, and it teaches the technique of personification, enhance of vocabulary and command over different narrative techniques. So, children, this is the chapter of much loved classic tale told from a horse's point of view. This chapter, the young horse Black Beauty tells us about his early life, and what the Black Beauty tells us, we have to see the book. So, I am going to show you in the book, all of you just see that. So, children, here is a book, lesson 12, breaking in. Breaking in, written by Anna Swell. You can see, now I am going to read this. All of you see in your book. Anna Swell was born in Great Yarmouth, Norfolk, England, after a childhood injury. She was confined to her house as an invalid and got around largely by carriage horse. Swell spent her last years writing the children's classic Black Beauty in 1877, a fictional autobiography of her gentle hybrid horse. She died of hepatitis in 1878, just 5 months after her book was published. Okay. So, this lesson is all about the horse, and the horse name is Black Beauty. Okay. So, let us read an extract taken from the timeless classic about the life of horse Black Beauty. So, children, I am going to read the chapter. You also read with me. Okay. I was now beginning to grow handsome. My coat had grown fine and soft, and was bright black. I had one wild foot and a pretty white stare on my forehead. I was thought very handsome. My master would not sell me till I was 4 years old. He said lads ought not to work like men, and colts ought not to work like horses till they were quite grown up. See children, in this para, Black Beauty was growing into a handsome horse, means now it is baby horse, and baby horse we called colt. He was confident as his kind master would not sell him because he is very small till the age of 4. Okay, so when he will become at the age of 4, the master will sell him, as his master believed that colts should not work like horses. Okay, colts here the baby horse. Okay, see here. When I was 4 years old, Squire Gordon came to look at me. He examined my eyes, my mouth, and my legs. He felt them all down, and then I had to walk and trot and gallop before him. He seemed to like me and said, when he has been well broken in, he will do very well. My master said he would break me in himself, as he should not like me to be frightened or hurt, and he lost no time about it, for the next day he began. Here, when he was 4 years old, Squire Gordon came to see him, and after examining well, made him trot and gallop. Here gallop means the speed, and trot, run. So he was checking his speed and run, that he is able to run or he is able to walk or not. So made him trot and gallop and seemed to like him. He said he would be a good horse when broken in, and his master agreed to break him in himself without scaring him. After that, the master began the process the very next day, means from the next day he started the training of Black Beauty. He began with the bit and the bridle, and next came the saddle. Once he got used to that, the master gently rode him. The iron shoes followed, and then the stiff heavy collar around the neck, the blinkers and the crupper. See here, Black Beauty was growing, Black Beauty horse. Okay, Black Beauty was growing into a handsome horse. He was confident that his kind master would not sell him because he is very small. So he believed that the master would not sell him till the age of 4. When he will become 4-year-old, then the master will sell him. So as his master believed that the colts should not work like horses. When he was 4 years old, who came there? Squire Gordon came to see him, and after examining well, made him trot and gallop and seemed to like him. He said he would be a good horse when broken in, and his master agreed to break him in himself without scaring him. So the master began the process. From the very next day, he began with the bit and the bridle, and next with the saddle. Once he got used to that, the master gently rode him. Okay, so from the next day, the master started the training of the Black Beauty, because Black Beauty is very small. So from the next day, he was started the training of the Black Beauty. He has given all the things. Okay, and after that he started the training. Now what is written? Next page. Everyone may not know what breaking in is. Therefore, I will describe it. Okay, it means to teach a horse. Breaking in means to teach a horse to wear a saddle and bridle, and to carry on his back a man, woman or child, to go just the way they wish, and to go quietly. Beside this, he has to learn to wear a collar, And a crupper. Crupper is a leather strap fastened to the saddle of a harness and looping under the tail of the horse to prevent the harness from slipping forward. Okay, so that is crupper. And a breeching. Breeching is the part of the harness that passes around the haunches of the horse. Okay, you can see there in the picture. You can see there in the picture. Okay, and to the stand still while they are put on, and to have a cart or a chaise, a light 2 or 4 wheeled carriage drawn by a horse fixed behind, so that he cannot walk or trot without dragging it after him, and he must go fast or slow just as his driver wishes. He must never start at what he sees, nor speak to other horses, nor bite, nor kick, nor have any will of his own, but always do his master's will. Even though he may be very tired or hungry, but the worst of all is when his harness is once on. Harness, the straps and the other fittings by which a horse is fastened to a cart or carriage. When his harness is once on, he may neither jump nor joy nor lie down for weariness, tiredness. So, you see, this breaking in is a great thing. Breaking in means here the training of the horses. There he is getting so much things like crupper, breeching, like that, harness, everything. And after that, he has to follow the master's order. Okay, then only he can move, he can stop. Only the master can handle the person who is sitting on the horse. So, that training is given to the Black Beauty from the very next day. Once again, I am repeating, Black Beauty was growing into a handsome horse. He was confident, and his kind master would not sell him till the age of 4. So, Black Beauty is the baby horse here, and he is thinking that my master is not going to sell me because I am small. When I will become at the age of 4, then only the master will sell him. So, the master believed that the colt should not work like horses when he was 4 years old. And when he was 4 years old, one person came, whose name is Squire Gordon, came to see him, and after examining well, made him trot and gallop and seemed to like him. He was telling to his master, just trained to him because in the future he is going to become a good horse, and start giving the training. So, his master agreed to break him in himself without scaring him. The master began the process. The very next day, he began with the bit and the bridle. Next came to the saddle. Once he got used to that, the master gently rode him. The iron shoes followed, and then the stiff heavy collar around the neck, and the blinkers and the crupper as the part of the training. Black Beauty was sent to, after that he has given all the things, and he started giving the training to the Black Beauty. Okay. So, till here we have done, and rest of the part we will do in the next class. Okay, children. So, till then, goodbye and God bless you all.